Hello all, this is Alexander Elias. I've got for you a demo of CPM2 class application. This is our first week app, the user data. So got a demo here we'll go ahead and go through. We've got some requirements to go over, and we'll just go over those real fast. So we have the obviously 4.4, we're on 4.4 currently. So let's go ahead and start with user authentication. Alright, so we can go ahead and we'll start from creating a user, and we'll go ahead and create this user, and password will be 1, and the name will be test. We'll go ahead and log up that. So now it's loading. There we go. We are now logged in. So this just created an account, and this is private data, which I'll go ahead and show to you in just a second. We have the ability to delete data, which I'll show you in a second, but let's go ahead and just demonstrate that this is persisting. Upon closing the application, it logs the user automatically back into their account, which obviously you can see was really fast. So that's happening upon launch. There we go. You saw the change happen right there. So let's go ahead and go to creating data first. So let's go ahead and we have the ability to, this is an advanced view here, we have the ability to update data, and we have the ability to create data. So you can see that we have the age field, which we have here also, currently set to 0. And you can edit and change that age. Let's go ahead and pull this up real quick so you can see this happening on the fly. So we have, let's see, there it is, tests. Alright, so we have some generated content here for us already, where it's the age is 0, name, obviously we created already, number and whatnot, it's all there. So let's go ahead and remove and update the age, and we can see that happen automatically. So we'll just say 28. We can save just that one, and it will only update that variable, as you can see. So that's our updating method we have so far. We have the creation. Let's actually go back and delete this real quick first. So if we clear our favorites, you'll notice that those two fields are completely removed. So we have the ability to now completely create those fields from scratch. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 0, let's do favorite number 7, and let's select a color blue. You'll notice those fields are created. So that is creating data. We have blue, number 7. That's all happening correctly. So let's go ahead and go into the rules real quick. Obviously we're reading data. Now we're just going to have to prove that it's writing, and I demonstrated that we're deleting data with the clear favorites also. So let's go ahead and go over security rules. So I have my security rules here. We're using unique user IDs that are created, which are these fields here, and then prior to that we're saying if it doesn't exist, then we're going to, if that user ID doesn't exist, then we're going to allow the creation of the new user ID and its content. And then we have the ability here, this is if the user ID does exist, then we're actually going through and we're checking that there is an authentication object, and then that the auth ID does equal the UID. And the auth ID is unique to each individual user. As we can see here, this is the same user ID that is inside of the database here. So that's that covers everything there. Application UI, we have login, we have logout, and the data persists, and I would say is fairly intuitive. We'll go ahead and log out, and you can see that it does log out there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.